I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you find yourself with locked funds on Robinhood, follow these steps to recover your money. Step 1. Check account status. Log into your Robinhood account and check for any notifications or alerts regarding your funds. Sometimes, the app will provide specific reasons for the lock. Step 2. Review transaction history. Go to your transaction history to identify any recent trades or deposits that may have triggered the lock. Look for any pending transactions that need attention. Step 3. Contact customer support. If you can't find the reason for the lock, reach out to Robinhood's customer support through the app or website. Provide them with details about your account and the issue. Step 4. Verify your identity. Be prepared to verify your identity. Robinhood may ask for documents like a driver's license or a utility bill to confirm your identity before unlocking your funds. Step 5. Wait for resolution. After submitting your request, monitor your email for updates from Robinhood. It may take a few days for them to resolve the issue and unlock your funds. If you follow these steps, you should be able to recover your locked funds. Don't hesitate to reach out to support if you encounter any issues along the way. Good luck!